Watch me prepare this butternut squash like an Igbo girl. Here are the ingredients you will need. I start by rinsing it. Just, this came from the farm. Rinse it and remove the seeds. These seeds, you can roast them in the oven. See, the seeds look like egusi. You can actually roast it in the oven and eat it like sunflower seeds. Then pat it dry like this. Next, using a very sharp knife, because this thing it's quite tough. It's like a rock. Cut off this one. Depending on how you want to cut it, I want to cut it like that. Chakam, chakam. So this thing is like firewood. It's like firewood, especially this part. This is a baking tray lined with the baking sheet. Just put it there. Then this is palm oil. Not palm oil on it. Hey, it will taste like Nigerian pumpkin. You know what is called onion. If you know what is called onion, let me know in the comments. I don't think Gen Zs know what onion is. Maybe millennials, but Gen Zs know. All these meals, all these foods that are going extinct in Nigeria. Gen X's should not allow these foods go extinct. The burden is on us to keep these foods alive for the younger generation, if they will eat. I mean onion, not this one, because this one is not indigenous to Nigeria. These are all families of pumpkin. Then sprinkle salt. You can sprinkle dry pepper as well, dry ground cayenne pepper if you wish, but there will be pepper in the sauce, the amoyo sauce that I'll use to cook it, so I don't see the need to add pepper to this one. And bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. After 20 minutes, it's boiling. I'll turn it around. For an even cook. Looks like it's done actually. It's soft, but not so soft. We continue baking. The inside is still resisting. At this time, 30 minutes now, I put the vegetable to wilt. Let me check the vegetable. Ooh. It has wilted. Bring it out. And check this one. It's been 40 minutes. It's this one that I'm worried about because it's quite quick. Still hard. These ones are done. This one is done. This one. I'm going to take it to the middle. And give it 5 more minutes. Let me pound these. Salt. Waka. Ogiri. If you're in Nigeria, you can use garden egg leaves for this or ugu. Yeah, rough pound like this. 45 minutes later, it's done. It should be done. Yeah, it's done. Yo. It's so soft. And then the sauce. On the ogiri. Ooh, 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 ooh. You can also add more salt at this time if you taste it and you need more salt. Ooh. Look at that! Oh, the quacanyo! Oh, the quacanyo! Come on, let's taste it. Let's taste it. This is how you eat it. You peel it. The fun part is peel. The nyabuli. Hey! Dip it in the oil. Hey! Oh my god. Oh my god, this is correct onion. If you're an Igbotic person, hey! This is correct onion. Onion complete. If you are an Igbotic person and you're missing onion, hey! Prepare it this way, madre. You guys know I'm very Igbotic. Even if you're not an Igbotic person, but you like traditional foods, try this. Look at the texture. It's exactly onion. Annualistic pumpkin. Bye bye. See you in the comments. Tell me if you have ever eaten onion before.